Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to insert an image with text wrap in your Wix blog. This is a fantastic feature that makes your blog posts look more professional and polished by allowing text to flow naturally around your images. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's start by heading over to the Wix website and logging into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear showing you different options. From here, click on Website to access your site settings. You'll now see the website settings page. Take a moment to verify that this is indeed the website where you want to wrap text around a blog post image. It's always good to double check that you're working on the correct site, especially if you manage multiple websites. From this page, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on this button to proceed to the editing interface. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens. To find the blog post you wish to edit, locate the pages, drop down on the top left of your screen, and click on it. A drop-down selection will appear showing all your pages. From the listed pages, click on Blog to access your blog section. Once you're on your blog page, simply click on any of the listed blog titles. You'll see a Manage Post button appear. Click on it, and you'll be directed to the blog dashboard where you can manage all your blog content. Now that you're in the blog post dashboard, we're going to create a new post to demonstrate the text wrap feature. Click on the plus Create New Post button located on the top right corner of your screen. This opens up a fresh blog post editor. Start by adding a title for your post, then type in the text you want to wrap around your image. Once your text is added, click on the plus Add button on the left side panel. This menu is incredibly useful as it lets you add media, elements, and even embed codes for your blogs. Since we're looking to insert an image, select Image from the options. For this tutorial, we'll simply use a stock image since the focus is more about the text wrapping functionality. Browse through the available images, select one that fits your content, and click Add to Page. Once your image is added to your post, you'll notice the top side menu of the image becomes visible. This toolbar contains several formatting options. Locate the Alignment button and click on it. From here, you'll see the text wrap function, but you'll notice it's disabled initially. This is important to note because this function only works on left and right aligned images, not center aligned ones. Click on either Align Left or Align Right, and you'll immediately see a text box appear on the opposite side, while the toggle bar automatically enables. Your text will now flow naturally around your image, creating that professional magazine-style layout. You can click on Save if you wish to continue working on this post later, or click Publish located on the top right part of your blog dashboard to make it live immediately. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.